Set Google AI mode as the default search engine in Chrome by following these steps. Open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left-hand menu, select Search Engine. Click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Scroll down to the Site Search section and click Add. Enter the following details. Click Add. Find AI mode in the Site Search list. Click the three dots next to it and select Make Default. To verify that the setup was completed correctly, enter a search query directly into the address bar. The search should now open directly into Google AI mode.